is black on Main Street. My baby just can't be found. The cold wind blows up Main Street, and Main Street's 4 miles long. Feels more like 50 when you walk it all alone. Oh yeah. From morning till midnight, alone with thoughts in my head. Midnight to 7, wide awake in a double bed. Wish I had the system to function on my own 2 feet. You see, Main Street's blowing a cold wind, and my radiator's got no more heat. Talk about just what that woman's doing to me. The chills are so penetrating, and the wind blows misery. It's the saddest time of the year when the cold in your sting, it just ain't your